Hello friends, welcome to Team Double S channel, and in this short video I will show you how you can fix Vivo Y53s Wi-Fi problem, or your Wi-Fi is not working or not connecting problem. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing Wi-Fi problem or Wi-Fi connection problem in Vivo Y53s, simply first of all you just need to go to settings application and just watch complete video to fix this problem.